Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. In today's video, I will be making carrot home decor, or if you want to say Easter or spring home decor DIYs using mostly Dollar Tree items. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up, and now let's craft. Starting with my first project, I will be using this Dollar Tree carrot wreath. I'm going to start by removing like this part, which is going to be like the greenery part of the carrot or the leaves. I don't know however you want to call them. I am going to remove it because I will be substituting that with some Dollar Tree greenery. So I wasn't able to record this, or I thought I had, and I guess I didn't press record, but as you can see on like the centerpiece, I wrapped that around with some jute twine. Now using this ribbon that I got from Hobby Lobby a while back, I am going to cut small little pieces. Then I'm going to tie them to the bottom part of the zigzag of the carrot. Now Dollar Tree does carry ribbon that you can use instead. And this is how it looks once I added the entire little pieces that I had. Honestly, I don't even know how much I added, but I did add it to where it looks so until it looked like there was a lot. Now for the other zigzag part, I am going to use a Dollar Tree ribbon, but this time instead of like tying it, making these little knots, I am going to wrap it just like I did with the jute twine. I am going to glue some of it here and there just so it doesn't move, and this is how it looks. Alright, so for this part I do want to show you something that I thought it was gonna work, but it ended up not working. But I do want to show you just in case you think you want to try it or you thought it was gonna work, or just so you can see my mistake. So basically what I did is I grabbed some of the Dollar Tree floral foam and glue some pieces to the top part because I was going to simply just add this Dollar Tree greenery. I was going to just cut the stems off, which I'm still using the greenery, but I am not going to add it to my carrot with this method. So this is when I realized that this wasn't going to work because you can see a lot of the floral foam, and in order for this to work you do need a lot of greenery. So instead what I did is I used some of this floral tape and I wrapped the stems with the wreath together just like this until I had all of the stems wrapped around. And this is how it looks once I had finished wrapping everything. As you can see, you can still see a little bit of that floral tape, but to cover that up, I did add a bow. Look how beautiful this carrot turned out. For my next project, I'm using this Dollar Tree bunny, which to me this is new. I haven't seen these. I didn't see these last year. I don't know if you guys have, but look how beautiful this is. I am going to start by painting this white. I did add a little bit of water to my chalk paint so it can look more like a whitewash. Using some antique wax, I am going to distress just the bottom of the rabbit. I want this to look like if it was like a dirty rabbit from the bottom. Now for the tail and the ears, I am going to use this scrapbooking paper, and I'm going to trace the tail and the ear part and just add it using some Mod Podge. Now as you can see, the ear, part of the ear is like a 3D. So I do want to cover the little hole, so I am going to add another piece of like the inside of the ear with this scrapbooking paper. Using this Dollar Tree ribbon, I'm going to make a bow and add it to my bunny. I'm going to set this to the side. Meanwhile, I'm going to paint this piece of wood using the Waverly Antique Wax. Once this is dry, I'm going to add the bunny to the piece of wood. I do end up using some Jenga blocks for extra reinforcement. Dollar Tree carries fruits, and I found this carrot, which it was too orange, so I do end up going over it with the Waverly chalk paint in the color pumpkin. I am going to add it, and this is going to make it look like if it's standing up or like this. So in order for it to like actually stand up to have more support, I am going to add a piece of popsicle stick to the back. But that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out. It looks like the little bunny is carrying the little carrot. For my next project, I am using this scrapbooking paper and this Dollar Tree sign. Now this sign is from the fall season, but Dollar Tree carries so many different signs that you can use. I am going to cut this to size, and then I am going to glue it using some Mod Podge. To this sign, I am going to add a piece of the Dollar Tree wood plank and this Dollar Tree little piece of farm fresh sign. That this is also from the fall season. I did paint it using the Waverly Antique Wax. I left the wood plank just the color it is, and then I am going to add it to my sign. Since these are like farm fresh carrots, I'm using these other little carrots that I grabbed from the Dollar Tree, and that is it. Look how beautiful this farm fresh sign turned out. For my next project, I will be using some of the Dollar Tree carrots. These come in this little pack of 5. I'm using 3. And I thought I was going to use this sign, but I do end up using some other one. I am going to start by painting the carrots orange and the leaf parts, of course, green. So I am so sorry, but I lost the footage to the rest of the stuff I did. But like I said, I didn't use the sign I showed you earlier. I used some other one that I got from Hobby Lobby. I added some of the same ribbon and added some bows to the carrot. But that is it. Look how cute this carrot sign turned out. And that is it for today. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one is your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.